Sir, first squad at 11 Cadet Broadcast Minuti ready for inspection, sir. Color code, we are cadet, do not lie, shed, steal, nor tolerate among us those who do. Golden rule, rule number 1, the senior officer, upperclassman is always right. Rule number 2, obey first before you complain. Rule number 3, if you the senior officer, upperclassman is wrong, refer to rule number 1. 11 General Orders. 1. To take charge of this post and all government property in view. 2. To work in a military manner, keeping always on the alert and observing everything that takes place within sight or hearing. 3. To report all violations of orders I am instructed to enforce. 4. To report all call from posts more distant and from the guardhouse than my own. 5. To quit my post only properly relieved. 6. To receive obey and post me on the sentinel who relieves me all orders from the commanding officer and non-commissioned officer on the guard only. 7. To take to no one except in the lines of duty. 8. To give the alarm of case of fire or disorder. 9. To call or commander on the relief in any case not covered by instruction. 10. To salute all of personnel, all colors and standard not case. 11. To be especially watchful at night and during the time for to challenge all persons under my post and allow no one to pass without proper authority. Loyalty pledge. If you work for a man in heaven name, work for him, speak well of him, and stand by the institution that he represents. Remember, an ounce of loyalty is worth a pound of cleverness. If you must crawl, condemn, and internally find fault, why resign your position? As when you are in the outside down to your heart's content, but as long as you are a part of this institution, do not condemn it. If you do the first high wind that comes along may blow you away and probably you'll never know why. Military professionalism. Men who adopt the profession of arms that met their own free will allow of perpetual constraint of their own accord. They reject the right to live where they choose to say what they think to dress as they like from the moment they become a soldier. It needs but an older to settle them in this place and to move them to that to separate from their families and dislocate their normal lives. In the world of commands, they must rise, march, run, endure bad weather to go without sleep or food. Being selected in some instance, post and work until they drop, they have case to become master of their own. What if they drop on their track and if the ashes are scattered to the four winds, that is all parts and parcel of their jobs. Chain of Command, Commander-in-Chief President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr., Chief of Staff General Romeo S. Bronner, Philippine Army, Secretary of National Defense Gilberto Teodoro Jr., Reservist and Retired Affairs G9PA Colonial Alfonso De Matos Jr., Philippine Army, Commanding General PA Lieutenant General Antonio S. Navarrete, Philippine Army, Commander of Reserve Command Major General Ronald J. S. Alcondia, Philippine Army, Commander of IRCDG Colonel Arnold L. Crosoloton, Infantry Master of National Security Administration, Philippine Army, Commander of 1st Infantry Tabak Division, Major General Igor V. Barroquelo Jr., Philippine Army, Commander 102 Brigade Brigadier General Samuel J. Yoke, Philippine Army, 20 CDC Director Colonel Lino L. Arayan, IR Artillery General Staff Corps, Philippine Army, ROTC Commandant Major Junard Isa GAPI Philippine Army Reserve, Assistant Commander First Lieutenant Manja J. Lagos Philippine Army Reserve, ROTC Admin NCOSMC Sergeant Junbert C. Kento Infantry Philippine Army, ROTC Admin NCO GDSPGC Sergeant Roby D. Espinosa, Non-Service Philippine Army, Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet, Lieutenants Colonel Lezelle, Jean F. Calderon, First Class Corps Commander, Cadet Major Reinhardt M. Cabasag, First Class IS Adjutant, Cadet Major Maria Carnel D. Mangoray, S2 Intelligence, Cadet Major Kevin H. Laylay, 5-3 Operations, Cadet Major Kim M. Arrival, 54 Logistics, Company Commander, Cadet Major Kim M. Arrival, Second Class Alpha Company Commander, Cadet Major Roman James C. Shaw, Second Class Bravo Company Commander, Platoon Leaders, Cadet Captain Leonard Tolentino, Second Class First Alpha, Cadet Captain Kent Cyril G. Arsua, Second Class Second Alpha, Cadet Captain Jocelyn C. Obregon, Second Class First Bravo, Cadet Captain Jamaica M. Alivio, Second Class Second Bravo. ROTC Reviewer, ROTC Reserve Officer Training Corps. Definition: a program designed to provide military training to students to develop discipline, leadership, and preparedness for national defense. Objectives: develop patriotism and nationalism, enhance leadership and discipline, prepare citizens for national emergencies, support the missions of the Armed Forces of the Philippine Army AFP. 2. Military courtesy and discipline. Military courtesy, polite and respectful behavior shown by military personnel. Examples: proper saluting, use to respectful titles sir, ma'am, proper conduct during ceremonies, discipline, willing to obedience to lawful orders, chain of commands, definitions, the line of authority through which all orders are passed. Importance: maintains order and discipline, prevents confusion, ensures accountability. 4. Drill and ceremonies. Virtues: develop teamwork and discipline, instill precisions and obedience. Basic commands: attention, parade rest, forward march, halt, left right face. 5. Patrolling basic theory. Definition: military operation conducted by small units to gather information and provide security. Types of patrol: reconnaissance patrol, combat patrol, security patrol. Roles during patrol: maintain silence, observe surrounding, follow all orders. Maintain proper interval. 6. Map reading. Basics. Purpose: to determine locations and directions. Key element: map symbol, compass directions, grid coordinates. 7. Leadership. Definitions: the ability to influence others to accomplish a mission. Qualities of a good leader: integrity, responsibility, decisiveness, courage. 8. AFA core values: honor, service, patriotism. 9. Nationalism and patriotism. Nationalism, love and loyalty to one's country. Patriotism, willingness to defend and serve the nation. Vision: to train and develop college students in the rudiments of military science in order to produce capable reservists, future reserve officers of the AFP. Objectives: to promote RTC cadets with fundamental concepts and principles of military art and science to develop leadership and management potential. To develop strong sense of personal integrity and honor responsibility and good citizenship. Attract, motivate, and prepare selected students to serve as commissions officer in the active or reserve force of Philippine Army.
Plus oppressor, front assembly, hand guard, slap ring, carrying handle, charging handle, um, catch, bolt catch, the magazine, selector lever, um, ejection port, triggered, rubber recall pad,
Sean, kanang balikota. Kaliwan balikota. Agata. Babata. Siyasata. Agata. Babata. Tanghalta. Babata.